Science is a systematic, evidence-based process to understand the natural world through observation, hypothesis, experimentation, and repeatable testing. It aims to explain how phenomena occur, producing predictive models grounded in empirical data. Its significance lies in generating reliable knowledge that drives technological, medical, and intellectual progress, while acknowledging limits in addressing untestable questions like life's ultimate purpose. Science's roots trace to ancient civilizations. Around 3500 BCE, Sumerians in Mesopotamia developed cuneiform to record trade and astronomical observations, creating early lunar calendars. Egyptians, by 3000 BCE, used geometry for land surveying and pyramid construction, with medical texts like the Edwin Smith Papyrus, c. 1600 BCE, describing empirical treatments. Egyptians performed basic surgery, setting bones with splints guided by observation. Thales of Miletus claimed natural causes like water cycles drove phenomena, rejecting purely mythical accounts. Anaximander theorized life emerged from a primordial substance, an early evolutionary concept. By 240 BCE, Eratosthenes calculated Earth's circumference within 2% accuracy using shadow angles. Greeks used an Antikythera mechanism, c. 100 BCE, a gear-driven device to predict astronomical events, often called the first analog computer. The Islamic Golden Age, 8 to 13 CMers, advanced science significantly. Al-Khwarizmi's algebra, c. 820 CE, formalized mathematical problem-solving, while Ibn al-Haytham's Book of Optics, c. 1015, established experimental methods, testing light's behavior. In medieval Europe, scholars like Thomas Aquinas viewed natural laws as expressions of the Most High's, TMH order, blending faith and reason. The Renaissance sparked the scientific revolution. Copernicus's 1543 heliocentric theory claimed Earth orbits the Sun. Galileo's telescopic observations, 1610, confirmed this, and Newton's 1687 laws of motion and gravitation unified terrestrial and celestial mechanics. The 19th century saw Darwin's 1859 theory of natural selection, claiming species evolved through variation and environmental pressures, supported by fossil records. Maxwell's 1860s electromagnetic theory described light as waves. The 20th century brought Einstein's relativity, 1905-1915, claiming time-space relativity and gravity as space-time curvature, and quantum mechanics, asserting subatomic particles follow probabilistic rules. By 2025, CRISPR gene editing targets genetic diseases, and string theory proposes extra dimensions to unify physics.